Hi everyone, I'm Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. Landscapes are the common type of painting beginners love to do. Sky is the most beautiful thing you can witness in nature and are often great source of inspiration for the artist. The right colors in the sky depict the mood you want to convey. The brain tells the sky is blue, but if you make your eyes work really hard, you will see hues of blue, white, yellow, orange, purple, or even pink. Look for the colors and enjoy expressing them freely. Avoid using pure colors though. Instead, use various combination of color mixing. What about doing some art practices for the clear understanding of the concept? Let's get started. I'm using acrylic colors. I have purple, white and blue with me. You may need a palette, a rag and 2 bowls of water. One for washing brushes and the second one for diluting paint. I'm using synthetic brushes for this painting. One flat brush and a round brush will do for this. I'm using canvas sheets here. You can use a paper, a mound board or any other canvases like stretched canvas or canvas board. Fix it with masking tape. Before painting sky, just observe closely and understand the colors. Clouds makes lovely shapes in the sky. The side of the clouds, the furthest away from the sun, should be the darkest, and the one closest should be the lightest. Here we are going to paint clouds in the whole sheet. Otherwise, you can do a landscape painting with just at the top. We have to create the background first. We'll take out some white, rather more of white in the palette. And some blue, I'm using here cerulean blue and a bit of purple. And mix some blue and white together. As I said earlier, we are not going to use any pure colors. Apply this mix in the paper as a background. I am adding dark blue and light blue in the background. And gradually merge them together. Gradually, you can add blue and purple wherever needed. When the background is wet, we have to place our clouds in the sky. This is known as wet on wet technique. Brush the white onto the canvas. Push the edges of the cloud out with your brush. Create the shape of your cloud by adding more white. Now add grey for the shading and place them where you want to. You can create your own grey combination. Here I am using blue and some purple for the grey. Now you have to use a dry brush to just merge both the colors. There is a tendency of overblending during the process. It is tempting to keep pushing or mixing colors together, which ends up in a big grey puddle. So keep your brush strokes distinct with a soft and hard edges to keep the painting interesting. Continue this process till you reach the perfect cloud shade. Being asked to describe my painting technique is odd for me. I usually invent things as I go along. Every painting becomes one big experiment. When I do it, I tend to learn a bit of something new always. Hope you do some practice on sky painting and mention your experience in the comment section. See you soon with yet another new video. Thanks for watching and keep painting.